My dear, why did you say that? Is this palace no longer comfortable for you, or do you have an issue with my son?
No, Your Majesty. Actually, my stay in this palace has been very exciting. Yes, it's just that I had a rethink over my life and what I want in life. So I decided to travel outside the country to pursue my dreams. I mean, becoming queen and its royal duties will limit me. I think I need so much for myself. I just hope His Majesty and Her Majesty will just forgive me for leaving.
My prince.
Father.
Are you okay with this development? Well, if it's okay by you, my dear, you have my endorsement. You have my blessings. May the gods of our ancestors follow you in all your endeavors in life.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I did not keep my promises to you. And for that, I'm sorry. I hope you can forgive me.
Your Highness, please, don't take it to heart. I don't have anything against you. I think we both deserve our happiness. I need to go in search of my happiness, since you have gotten yours. I need to go get my bag.
We can still be friends. If you need anything, don't hesitate to call me.
It's fine. Let me get my bag.
It's all with you, my dear.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I wish you well.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
What is it? I want to tell you that you are a really very brave girl. Listen, after everything, you decided to take a walk. Not everybody will do this.
Oh,
you are a wise girl.
You think me walking away is the right thing, right?
That's the best.
No, you blackmailed me. You threatened me. Yes. Choma, I brought you to this palace. I gave you the chance to become royalty. What did I gain? Betrayer. You are so wicked. It's sickening to see that the one I tried to elevate her life is trying everything to pull me down in this palace. You're a monster. I hate you so much. You are wicked. You are heartless.
I know.
I will never forgive you.
You have to. You have
I
to.
will never.
You have to. I am very sorry about that. See, Uche, it's not my fault. This is a competition. I told you. Listen, sweetheart. When I become queen, I will take care of you. At least I will help you. This your miserable life. I will bring you up. I'll make sure I boost it for you. I'll get you everything good thing you need. Please. And make sure. Always pray for me.
I should pray for you.
Yes, I need your prayers.
I would rather curse you all the days of my life than to pray for you. You betrayer! Using a child that your godmother to be blackmail me.
Uche.
You are wicked.
Uche.
Listen, I cursed you today. Yes, I cursed you today. You will make mistake that will win everything that you desire. Yes, it will never be well with you.
It will never
You
be
will
well
be
with
the
you.
subject of a commoner.
Okay.
Nothing good will come your way.
Okay.
Choma, you are wicked.
Okay.
You are heartless.
I have heard.
You're wicked.
I have heard.
I will never forgive you.
No problem. But all the atrocities you committed in the past, all the curses they made on you, how many worked? I didn't get come for here.
It will work. Come on, because you're a betrayer.
You dey shout. Must sound. Come back, my friend. Because I didn't speak English. If you like, don't pray for me.
True love is tested in fire. True love, a heart that can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trial. True love, can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire, still holding hands. That can be classified as true love. True love.
Ah, boy. We are here again for you. What is it again now? What have I done again this time? Please leave back from here. No, leave back. Hey, whoa! Hey, please don't kill me, please. Ah! Peter, my head, Second time, right? Yeah. Listen good. I know you'll be wondering what you did, right? Yeah. What kind of a man will report to his woman what was done to him? This is for being a blabbermouth and telling on the prince. This is our first message. You have to hurry up and break up with her, or else we will not stop coming for you until all part of your body is broken. Let me ask you, is this love worth dying for? You will not like what we are going to do you next time we come to you. You better hurry up and break up with her.
Your Highness, I am here for you to finish what you've started. I am here for you to kill me, because no matter what, I will never leave Amaka for you.
What I started? Obira, what are you talking about? You have to be careful with the things you say, because accusing the prince falsely can cost you your life.
But it is costing me my life already. You give me sleepless night because I'm poor, right? You bully me because I'm a pan white tapper. Huh? Is it by force? Is love by force? She doesn't love you. Leave her alone for me, please. And no matter what you do, I will never leave her for you.
What are you talking about, Obira? Listen, I did not, whatever is this you're talking about, I did not do it. And listen, I cannot force Amaka to accept my feelings for her. I can't do that. You must be mistaken.
You must be mistaken, right? This is an evidence of your bitterness and desperation. I am so ashamed of you. You call yourself the prince of this kingdom, but yet you drag a lady with a pan wine tapper. You're not even ashamed of yourself.
Jima, what is the meaning of that rubbish?
I did not do that.
How do you mean? How can you descend so low? So low with this your might? To bully a commoner just because of a mere woman?
Father, I did not do it. Someone is trying to spoil my good image in this kingdom. I did not do it, Father. And I promise I will get to the root of this problem.
Then who did?
I don't know.
So how on earth would anybody want to slander a whole prince on this issue?
What do you want me to believe? I will find out who did, Father.
True love is tested in fire. True love, a heart that can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trial. True love, can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire, still holding hands.
My prince. So this is it. So now so you be go see you sit down here and I go think say you be better person. So this is really you. You know, I actually thought that you were different from the others, but obviously you are not. You are just a green snake under the green grass.
Hey, Amaka, watch it. Watch your tone. I am your prince. You talk to me with some respect.
Respect. So that they give respect. Okay, now your baby, hold that baby because I know they fear you. If I don't respect you, what will you do? No, will you beat me?
break my bones or issue another threat to Obiora like you've always done? I'm asking. Or you won't tie me rope now to love you by force? Tell me, what will you do?
Look at the things you accuse me of doing. I am not capable of doing such thing. Someone is after my good reputation.
So?
I'm not trying to make you believe me or whatnot, but I will prove to you that I am a better man. I promise you that.
Very dark man. Now you get all the proof where they the word. I'm waiting for the proof.
Tell me you did not order the assault melted on the palm wine cellar.
John, what are you talking about?
I expected that. Look me in the eye and lie to me that you did not assault the palm wine cellar.
You already know. Why do you keep talking about finding who? Why didn't you say it is Majesty when he reminded you?
Because I don't want to be the reason they are disappointed in you. And I know you did this for me, but I did not ask for it.
Chima, we are twin brothers. You don't need to ask me to fight for you before I can fight for you. I see your sacrifice. I see how you sacrifice your feelings. Listen, whatever I did for the love of a brother.
So, you don't get it, do you? What do you even understand about human feelings? When you want people this bad, you don't go as far as hurting the ones they love. All that do is sending them far from you. You don't do that. No, so I want you to stay far away from my private matters. Can you do that for me?
Chima, I did what I did because he needed someone who is capable of doing things that you're not man enough to do. And that person is no one else but me, your twin brother. And that's exactly what I did.
Thank you. Stay far away from the things that concerns my heart. I will not have this conversation with you again.
True love is tested in fire. True love, a heart that can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trial. True love, can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire still.
What is he doing here?
What does he want from us again?
Can be classified as true love. True love, as true love. The kind of love that can swim the ocean to save your lover. That kind of love I call true.
Yes, what is it? What are you doing here?
I call true love. That's what I feel for you, my queen.
Obiora, I'm sorry for what happened to you. I didn't do this to you. But whoever did thought they were doing me a favor. And for that I apologize. And I promise to take care of whatever damage you incurred during the assault.
Wait, I don't get. Are you admitting that you did this to me?
Like I said, I did not. But whoever did thought they were working for me or thought they were doing me a favor. And that is not what I stand for. I stand for integrity. I can't stoop so low to do this to you. I'm sorry.
What about Amaka? Are you giving up on her? Because all this happened because of your feelings for her.
I like Amaka very much. At the same time, I can't force her to like me. And I cannot hurt the people that she loves. Like I said, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Apology accepted. But please, I want you to stay away from us, please, okay? Please. I don't need all these dramas anymore, please. I beg you. Stay away from me and my baby, please. Okay?
It's okay. Both of you have a good time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
You know, I can't just shake off the pains that I saw in his eyes. I thought I was helping a brother, not knowing that I was hurting his feelings, and not just that, but the ones that he cares about. I just do not want to be part or source or rock to his pain.
You are overthinking this. I am sure your brother knows you have good intentions towards him. He understands you.
But do I understand him? Do I understand his actions? If I'm to be honest to myself here, then I think I'm the selfish person here because I always want him to want what I want. And to worsen it all, he have agreed not to accept his feelings and go for what he wants. And I'm not going to stand against his wills and desires.
I really feel for him. Honestly. I do. Can we tell him that we're getting married? Let's announce our wedding. Let's go ahead and get married. That will bring him joy. He will be very happy knowing that his twin is getting married. What do you think? It's a royal wedding. We have a royal wedding to plan.
Chama, in as much as I respect and appreciate your efforts, you do not marry for such flimsy reason, especially the marriage of a prince.
Amaka, I have come to warn you. I want you to stay away from the prince. You can go back to your wretched lover. Forget about the prince. Don't even talk to him anymore.
You know, for this my life, I've seen confused people. But now you carry first. You are the most confused human being I have met all my life. 1 minute, you are an active matchmaker. The next minute, you are causing the biggest problem, trying to still scatter that relationship you're trying to put together. Who are you exactly?
Amaka, whatever you think about me, I don't care. I really do not care. I have gotten what I want, and I am fine. I am very close to the throne, and that's why I want you out. I want to watch you be a competitor.
And you think this whole thing you're doing is worth it? What is this you're doing with your friend? You know, people say that you guys are very, very close. In fact, the world should be sisters. But I don't think you're in that same boat.
I don't care. Whatever you think is not my business. It's not. I will not warn you again. Stay away from the prince.
Okay. There you go. Because as I look you now to beat you, they won't bring me. And I don't get that power now. I don't get that time. Just they go.
Amaka, you won't talk to me like this.
Auntie.
Amaka, you will not speak to me
I
in that
warned you
manner.
for the last time.
You know why? Because I am very close to the throne and I will throw you out of this palace. This kitchen will become mine very soon. You know? Yes.
There you go.
I will not want you again.
Brother, I know how lonely you feel. True love and commitment has always been your thing, and it saddens my heart that you are alone.
I'll be fine. The heart goes on loving, surely.
Chima, I assure you that I'm not considering marrying until you are ready. In fact, I promise to wed on that same day that you make a decision to choose a bride. That I promise.
What?
I'll do anything for you, brother.
Are you out of your mind?
Don't even go there. Nobody's going to make me change my mind, Chima.
You have Chioma. You should go ahead and marry her.
It's not so. Your brother said we should go ahead and get married. That's what I'm doing. We have a wedding to do.
I just made a lifelong promise to my brother Chima that I will wait for him to be ready to settle before I can join him.
And he just gave you his go-ahead.
Listen, this is not about you. And I want you to respect my decision.
I will not, because it's about us.
Mama! Ah! Ogini. What is it? No, Ogini. Ogini. One Ogini. Get yo. Ogini. Ogini. Hey! Somebody help us! Hey! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! My prince. Greetings, my prince.
How is she doing? I came because I realized she didn't show up at the palace.
She's still where she is. She has not responded to any help nor any treatment. I don't know what else to do.
Should I invite the palace physicians to upgrade her medication? That might help.
You know Amaka is a special child. What is wrong with her is beyond what the eyes can see. I don't think any white man medicine will be able to fix it. I think it's all herbs. It's to find the right herbs that will treat her.
I am really worried. Is there anything I can do? I'm worried about her.
Your Highness, we're also worried about her too, okay? Not just you. And just like Mama said, white medicine cannot work, please. You don't have any business here. Allow us to solve this problem ourselves, please.
You are who are worried? No, you are who? Since we came here, did you tell me you were worried? Have you said anything about being worried? Eh? You are talking to the prince. Look at the prince. Even if you are blind, His Highness, his father the king, His Highness, look at his dressing. That should tell you that he's a prince. Yet you open your mouth to talk to him like that.
Mama,
is that how you are raised?
Mama, forget this dressing.
So you're this irresponsible.
Mama, this man is not a good man. Know what I'm saying, Mama?
No, you are the one
this man is not a good man.
No, you're the one that... Look at your church trousers you wore to this place. You're the one that is good. Eh? He's a prince. Anyhow, anything, something will happen. Give one with your cap. What do you know you can do?
It's okay, Mama. It's okay.
Look at.
It's okay.
It's like now we are all worried. You know you're the worried. Did I invite you? Did I ask you to come? My prince, please, I am sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm not here to fight with you.
When you go king, when you fight.
I'm here because I'm worried about Amaka.
Nobody's fighting you, okay? The English medicine will not work.
So she wants her to die?
Mama, he does not have any business here, Mama.
Oh no! You want her to die?
Mama, you will not die. You are stressing yourself too much, Mama.
I'm going to keep on waiting for Namusu.
Mama, she will not die.
What are you doing here?
She will not die, Mama.
You want my child to die?
She will not die.
Because of...
Mommy, she will not die, please.
Hey! Oh, metwaka.
No, so I know how hard you fight for your brother. I know how much you love your brother. I know how much you have sacrificed for him. You have done every single thing for him, yet he will not appreciate it. Is it nice or can't you see?
What are you trying to say? Can you be more specific?
Okay, I mean, it's obvious your parents love your brother more than you. Behave yourself. Respect yourself. You have to win their love. They want to make him the king. I mean, this is evident.
Wow. So this is about the throne. Are you trying to instigate me and my brother to go into war just because of the throne? Listen, what if my parents consider him a better son than I am? Are you still going to abandon me if I did not become the next king of this kingdom?
You will not twist my word. You're not going to do that, are you? Well, what I'm saying is just be good for all of us. That's what I'm saying. You're not going to twist my word.
So what I hear from you is poison. And I'm just beginning to feel anxious around you. I don't know what plan that you have or what you're trying to do, but I need you to know that it's not going to work. And I seriously do not care who wears the crown.
You will not speak to me in that manner, would you?
That's the one. Is she going to be alright? Nene kwaya Obiko.
She's going to be fine. But the right question is, for how long? She is a special child that has been favored by the gods all these years. Her ties with nature has kept her long enough on earth, and that is why the herbs sustain her this long.
What are you trying to say? Isn't why because no. What are you saying? Just say it in a language I'll be able to understand. What are Solomon call you by? What are Solomon?
She's an Obanje, a child destined to come and go again, putting her parents through a tide of pains, but her bond with nature has kept her healthy, and the deities have favored her greatly. But her time is running out now.
What are we going to do?
Perhaps the deities are through with her. I wonder why they are withdrawing their support from her.
What are we going to do? Now help me. Help me. I cannot afford to lose my child. She's the only one I have. I don't have any other one again. Help me.
At this point, her life and days are determined by the gods. I will wake her from a deep sleep. A waking ritual must be done. We must hear the judgment from the gods.
This is the time for me to strike. I am going to cause problems between these two brothers. That is what I am going to do. And then also we have no reason to refuse the crown. Yes. Yes.
you? This is so shameful! Trying to covet that which is mine? There's no coming back from what you have just done!
What is it?
Can you imagine? You!
It's okay, let's go.
Are you okay?
No! No!
Did he touch you?
Yes! Yes!
He did?
Yes! Yes!
What are we going to do? Nagadibazio.
There's no easy way to say what I am about to say. Amaka, we do not have time to live. The clock is ticking as the deities in their benevolence have given you 3 years to live on earth. You must prepare and achieve all you have desired before you return.
I could do any sacrifice. I could do anything you ask me to sacrifice. Beg the ghost to give her deities. Let them give her more life. They should give her long life. I cannot afford to bury my only child.
She has been lucky to see adulthood and enjoy good health, thanks to the nature. But her time is up. She must make good use of the 3 years she has left on earth. Be strong and take heart.
What's the problem? Did I offend you?
Brother, I actually expect some level of remorse from you, but you decide to play amnesia.
What exactly are you talking about?
You don't know what I'm talking about. So you do not consider you making a pass on my woman as an offense. You practically tried to force yourself on her.
You have to slow down right now. A pass on your woman, me, Chima. How? Like, how did we get here? I can't do that. I remember being drunk last night, but I cannot lay a hand on your woman. Drunk or not.
In as much it's difficult for me to believe. I know you did it. I cannot unsay what I saw. I saw you trying to do it, brother. And you know the most annoying thing is you standing right here before me and trying to deny it. I will not forgive you. This is evil. You're a devil advocate.
No, so I did not do it.
You did it.
I did not do it.
How are you feeling?
I'm still very weak and burdened.
What bothers you?
According to the Ezenwai, my deep connection with nature and the deities would gives me inspiration to make good food and healthy drinks has been what kept me alive this whole years. According to her, I'm supposed to come and go and leave my mother in continuous pain.
You mean an Obanje? But you hardly fall sick.
Yes. That is because I have lived on herbs. And thanks to the benevolence of the deities, these herbs have kept me alive. But now I have just 3 years to live.
What? Are you dying?
In 3 years. Listen, I haven't been able to fulfill my dreams. My dreams of becoming your wife and having beautiful kids with you. But I'm begging you and asking that we should get this done. At least let me fulfill these dreams, bring my children to life before my time comes. Please.
Just wait, okay? Just wait. Wait. You are dumping so much on me. You can't just take this drastic decision without thinking about the negative side. You're telling me to get married to you when you know you're dying soon, and you even want us to have babies. This is the most selfish thing I've ever heard in my whole life.
Pure. Why are you saying something like this? Obiora, we've waited for this all our lives. We've always wanted to end up together. So what difference does it make if I have just 3 years to live?
It makes all the difference. It makes all the difference. I'm the only son of my parents. And I want to live a normal life. I want to have kids. I want to live long with my partner. Telling me this is not even nice at all. You don't even think about the negative sides. I can see you're really desperate for this. You can as well go and have it somewhere else. I'm not really interested in this place. I really want to live a normal life.
Yeah. Are you breaking up with me?
I don't even... Yes, I'm breaking up with you. I can't do this anymore. I can see you're very desperate. And I don't even feel this love anymore.
Obiora!
She's one of a kind.
So, what is it? What is it? What do you want? You're no longer my brother. You see, I can sacrifice everything in this world for you, and you only think of coveting that which is mine. Does it even make any sense to you, brother? I did not do it.
Baby, it's okay. It's okay. I mean, I don't... You know, he's been looking for ways to talk to me all this while, but... I mean, he found an opportunity, but I refused.
Choma, what are you talking about? I found... Well, can you tell him the truth? But I did not touch her. I did not do it. Can you believe that?
You are still lying. Apologize to him and he will accept. Just say you are sorry and that is it.
I did not touch you.
You did.
I did not do it.
You did it.
You have to believe me. I did not touch her. I did not assault. Come on.
You touched me. You touched me. You can't be lying.
Chima, one more light from you. I promise you. I will take off your one teeth out and I'll do it.
No, so I did not touch your woman. I cannot do it.
Just apologize. Just tell him you're sorry.
Choma.
My prince.
What is it about?
What do you want? You can see we are having a meeting.
I would like to show you something.
Please be
What
fast.
is it?
My prince, you have to calm down. Please see for yourself. Watch this video.
You can see something very important. You're coming here.
So we will know who will become.
When royalties are talking, you shut up. Take your phone and get out from here. I don't even know why you came here. Please go. And don't come close to royalties anymore. What is it?
Now you know.
When the devil had meeting with this gender, the only thing they were able to dispose was the meeting and the fruiting of the apple. I owe you an apology. Please, find it in your heart to forgive me. I almost jeopardized the brotherly bond that we'll share. Our brotherly bond just because of this scheming woman. Please, I am sorry. I'm sorry, brother.
I told you I did not do it. You're my brother. I cannot do anything to hurt you. Hurting you is hurting myself. You're my brother.
And I'm sorry for not trusting you enough. Leave me alone! You Jezebel.
You are lucky that you are a woman. And I am a prince trying to be reputable and honorable here. If not, I would have reconstructed your face with some punches. How dare you try to come between two brothers? Have you lost it?
I wasn't trying to come between you and your brother. I just felt you have sacrificed a lot for him. I was just trying to just put a little distance so he can respect you. I did it because of you. I just want him to respect you, that's all.
You didn't do this because of me. You did that because of your quest for power and royalty. From the very beginning, I knew that you never loved me. It's all about the throne. But I want you to know that you have failed and you have lost everything.
I love you so much and you know this. And love forgives, right?
Yes. But I reserve that for an actual woman and not a scheming, manipulative monster like you. Be gone! Or I'll be forced to do something that we both will regret.
I'm not going to do this, I'm sorry.
Don't touch me! And I don't want to see you by the time I return.
I'm sorry. Hey!
Nancy.
Father.
Chima, this is quite unbelievable. She just left like that, unannounced. Huh? But we performed all our royal duties to our guests, and that girl, you know, is a very ambitious girl that you would like to be with. You just don't know. All of a sudden, she disappeared into the thin air. Now, so what do you think happened? What happened?
All I can say is that my brother and I have come a long way. We are too bonded for a scheming, power-hungry woman or monster to come between us. But I am happy she's back to where she belongs. I'm hopeful and praying that the deity and gods of our land will help us find the right woman, a good woman, a woman with a pure heart, a woman who is willing and capable of loving us more than she loves the crown.
Are you telling me you've developed this magnitude? So this is the new improved you? King is happy.
Father, I've waited all my life to hear you say that. I am humbled and thank you, Your Majesty.
You see, brother, I did a good job training you. You should thank me too. I deserve a thank you.
You're looking for trouble here.
I deserve a thank you.
What is going on? Why are you crying?
All I wanted was all he promised me over the years. Spending our lives together and bringing in beautiful kids. But he rejected me because I'm dying.
You are dying. What does that even mean?
All I have left on earth is 3 years. To say goodbye to my loved ones. Fulfill my dreams. Do whatever it is I need to do. But he He wants to be part of it. He rejected me because of that.
No. Don't say that. You're not going to die. Come here. It's okay. You're not going to die. I'll be here for you. I'm here with you. You're not going to die. I'll be by your side, I promise you. I promise you.
Why didn't you come?
No.
This is supposed to be...
No. This is for you.
Your Highness, what are you doing? Do you want to get me into trouble? Why will you be cooking for the cook?
Seeing what the cook has been going through, I think you deserve rest. You deserve to be taken care of.
Okay. I know I was not in a good place yesterday, but I don't want you to get involved with this. Rather, I wouldn't want you to be bothered about me. This is my cross to bear, and I think I would have to carry it alone.
Not when I'm here. This is not your cross alone to carry. The power of death is not in your hands. Amaka, listen. If the gods decide that all you have is 3 years to live, then I want to be by your side. I want to make memories with you, beautiful ones.
You are not bothered that I am dying? Considering the fact that I did not even return your affection.
I'm not bothered. If anything, that draws me more to you. All I see is a woman committed to the people she loves and admires. And I like that about you. I want to be with you. I want to be by your side. Whatever you want, I will do it for you. Oh, okay, this is not the time to cry. This is the time to eat. Yes.
True love is tested in fire. True love, your heart that can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trial. True love, can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire.
Yeah, test it and tell me what you think about it. Yeah.
Can be classified as true.
Here we go.
As true.
Here we go. Okay. What do you think? Don't lie to me. Don't give me that face. Come on.
Okay. Did you, by any means, ask Lot to be his wife? Because how on earth is the whole salt we have in this world, in this food?
My recipe is from the date.
Never leave your side, no matter what. It's true love, and I'll be holding your hands till the end. True love is sacrifice. True love is tested in fire. A heart that can hold on no matter what. It can be tested by trial. True love, can you endure and maintain your stand? The love that can walk through fire.
Mama, don't start. Why are you crying?
These are tears of joy. Can't you see everything going on? We're still happy. Oh, yeah.
Well, Mama,
That is because I have found a new bestie. A new friend. Mama, I don't even remember that anything is wrong with me anymore.
Okwa Prince.
This woman is so funny. Do you know what she said? Okwa Prince. Well, of course I know he is. But he's been my biggest support system. I just want you to say thank you to him.
Prince, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for being her support system. Because mine wouldn't have gone anywhere if it were my only support system that is working for her. Thank you, my prince.
She's my happiness. And I find so much joy in her. She brightens my life.
Hey, Mama.
If having 3 years of uninterrupted joy with her is all I have, then I would like to make it a memorable one. That is why I've come to ask mother and daughter where you would like to go, so the fun can begin.
Hey! There are places she said she would want us to go. I want us to enter the vehicle and move, so that people will see us and know that we have something to do with the royal family. Hey, it's only moral, high class.
I'm here for it. Yes, let's start going.
Mama, let me go and quickly dress.
Okay, Mama, go and dress.
We'll be in the car.
Hey! What the white? Mama, no, my dress.
You know, sometimes I feel like I'm being selfish towards you. I feel bad accepting your kindness, knowing full well that I had rejected you in the past.
The key word here is past. And remember, you were seeing someone at the time. And I was seeing someone too. And when you love people, you don't keep grudges. If for anything, that only showed me how loyal you are, and I admire that about you.
Chima, I'm dying in 3 years. Amano Banji, doesn't this give you any cause for concern?
Maka, the only thing I'm scared and concerned about is not spending your last 3 years with you. It's not showing you how much I love and care and cherish you. That is the only thing I'm scared of.
Thank you very much. It's just a pity that the gods brought you into my life at my lowest and saddest point. You know, sometimes I just feel like I don't deserve you.
Amaka, you don't have to feel that way. If you look at it like that, then I don't deserve you too. You don't deserve me, I don't deserve you, we don't deserve each other, but we are here together right now. And what matters is that we utilize the time we have left. And that is what matters. Let's just let everything that have happened in the past and thank God for bringing us together. And just have fun, because I really do love you. And that is not about to change.
Okay.
What is wrong, brother? Why is your face like that now that you finally have the love of your life? I thought you said you love her so much. So why is this sad?
I feel sad because I wish I can add more years to her life. I've always thought 3 years is enough to make amazing memories.
But every day I spend with her, it draws me close to asking the deities for more years.
I feel your pain, brother. But I want you to know that the worries of tomorrow have its way of hindering the happiness and pleasure of today. I want you to focus on this moment. Do not let the thought of death ruin this time for you.
You know, I'm really excited you said that. I really need to focus on the happiness of today and not the worries of yesterday or tomorrow. It's just that I love her so much. I really do love her. And I want to spend the rest of my life with her. But knowing she have just 3 years to live, the thought of that alone breaks my heart. I want to create amazing memories with Amaka. You know, have children, raise them together. Share good memories together. How do I do that when she... Okay, again, like you said, focus on the happiness of today. Okay. I'm doing just that. I promise. And thank you for saying that.
Just take it easy. Amaka, she's a gem. A keeper. But then I want you to know that the gods give and they take at will. What can we do about it? Absolutely nothing. So my brother, take it easy.
You okay?
Yes. You said you wanted to see me.
Yes. I know you have your wishes. Why time is not on your side. I also have my wishes. I want to make you my wife. I want to make babies with you before you leave this life. I want us to make memories together. Beautiful memories while we still can. Please be my wife.
Are you serious?
You're standing in front of me and I'm holding this ring. How serious can I be? I've always wanted this. From the first day I set eyes on you, I've always prayed for this moment. I didn't wish for it to be like this, but I've always wanted to make you my wife.
You know, I really want to see the faces of my children. My
children before I die. And yes,
I promise I'll be the best father. I will. And the best husband. Why at last?
I would want you to be my soulmate, my companion, and the crown over my head. So yes.
We have a royal wedding plan.
Congratulations.
My queen, are you aware that Amaka and Chima has been seeing each other? And they were smart enough to hide this from both of us. Too smart.
They hid it from me too. I didn't know that both of them were sneaking around this palace like lovebirds. Anyway, I already knew that Chima liked Amaka from the beginning. Yeah. Seeing the way he risked his tongue to drink that weird-looking juice she made.
Oh, no, Mom. That was me being experimental. I mean... And his eye twinkles each time he's staring at her. Come on!
Anyways, you know that Amaka has always been treated and considered as a member of this family.
Yeah, right.
I even wished for a daughter-in-law like her, but the deities have already granted my request. So, without asking, you already have my blessings.
Same here, son. Same here. I had always wished that our gods will give my children a befitting, wonderful maidens from this kingdom that will be the future queen of my kingdom. That will gladden your king's heart. I can't wait for that day.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you. Chima, I want you to know that I'm proud of you. Congratulations. I'm extremely proud of you. And I can't wait to have someone as beautiful and perfect as Amaka. And I hope I find one.
You will, my brother. You will. You will.
Wow.
You will. What are you trying to say?
No.
I want to make your mother and I to be
I'm jealous. We've gone through that.
With your permission, Father, I would like to go first.
Thank you. Rush it immediately.
Go get
Motherfucker.
That's my bro.
You know me, I've been very busy with my fashion designer, trying to fix my best dress for the royal wedding of the decade. You know what? I cannot wait. Look at you. Everything I ask of the gods, they bestowed onto me. You are going to marry the prince and become the princess. Hey! It's no longer Igwe, it's Igwe Ogomo. Hey! Drama queen. That is truth. Imara. I'm not a family member. Now, why? Mama, you do.
Thank you very much, Mama, for entrusting your daughters to me. I promise to be the reason she smiles and not cry. I love her so much, and I will cherish her for life.
Nah, Baraba. Carry wholesale. Everything I give you.
You know, sometimes I keep wondering why it took me so long. I keep asking why I rejected him from the onset. But I later came to realize that the deities actually wanted me to go to the palace so I can be with my soulmate, the man who truly loves me.
Oh.
The man who makes me happy.
Gods of our land.
Thank you.
You know, everything happens for a reason. And I'm glad the gods brought us together.
Have you seen it now?
Mama, don't be over dramatic.
Go to the palace and walk. It is you can only find a husband where you walk. You cannot be working in a shoemaker company and now go and find a husband where they're selling oil. No. Look for your husband inside that place you're working.
Oh, my papa, I remember you were a pharmacist, but you got married to a shoemaker.
What's because he was coming to the place to buy medicine.
How can there be someone like this? Blessed with longevity. The aura and light shine too bright. The sacrifices and sins, worship of your forefathers. Your Highness has carved a lifetime blessings and unlimited favor from the deities.
I'm glad to hear this, Ezenwai. But is there nothing that I can do to add more years to my fiancé's life?
You were like this before, years ago. There were two stars in the dark sky. One that shines too bright, and the other so dull that begin to fade into the darkness. That almost became non-existent. The bright light moved closer to the dull star, and they joined as soulmates.
Ezenwai, please. This story you just told, is it in any way related to both of us?
Yes. Your Highness is the bright star, and you, Amaka, is the dull star that continue to struggle into the fading darkness. But the spiritual aura of His Highness, blessed with long, light longevity, kept you from fading into the dark symbolic of death.
What exactly are you saying, Ezenwai?
I no longer see the covering of death or the ticking time attached to Amaka. Yes. I see a bright light of longevity. Thanks to the Prince's presence, the day you accepted to be his wife was the day the bright light of long life moved in your favor. You have been joined as soulmates.
Wait a minute, Ezenwai. Let me understand what you're saying. You mean I'm no longer dying? I won't die in 3 years. In 3 years to come?
I only see long life and good health. When you found love, you found longevity. Go and enjoy long and life and happy life from the deities, blessing and gifts. Congratulations, Amaka.
May the gods be praised. Thank you, wise one. Thank you. Thank you, wise one.
moments that can be classified as true love. As true love. The kind of love that can swim the ocean to save it. The kind of love I call
Mama, I am no longer dying. I have been gifted longevity of life. Mama, nothing is happening to me anymore.
What happened? What did you give to them? Did you give them something at least to appease them and that warranted the mercy?
It's him. Mama, it's him. It's Chima. The love of my life. His aura of longevity was extended to me when I accepted to be his life partner.
Hey! Because of our land. Thank you. Thank you, I did not bury my child. I begged you people to spare her so that she'll be the one to bury me when the time comes, and not the other way around that you will oblige me. Onyeka, I will come and offer sacrifices and thanksgiving. Hey!
Well, I hope you're not backing out at the royal wedding. Because you're not dying. I hope you're not backing out.
You didn't whine? Back where? I am fronting to the royal wedding. Why? My love. You mean everything to me. Or are you planning to leave me?
Come on.
Because I don't understand why you're asking that question.
No. I waited all my life for a day like this. When the woman that I love will be beside me.
Love. Original love. Love that is genuine.
She's one of a kind, endowed by the gods, gifts to make him and not happy. Yeah, her recipes are one of a kind. She know the things that we make the belly happy. She's a wonderful woman, Amaka, oh Amaka, a special woman, Amaka, choice of every man, Amaka, wife material, Amaka, her intimidative nature, other girls they jealousy, Amaka, better talent from the girl, she carry a more, Amaka, she is one of a kind, a beautiful soul. She's so humble.